Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku and this is level 47. Let's start. Alright, maybe there.
Nice!
There, okay. We need to find 9 cats. So far we have 3. Let's try there.
Perfect!
Alright, maybe let's try there. Nice. Okay, now we need 4 to finish.
Excellent!
Maybe let's look there. Nice. All right. Now we have 3. There's... Oh, okay. There's 1. All right. Number 2 should be here. All right, so it's here and the last one is here.